Bitcoin sitting at a critical support level. Are we going to see Bitcoin break below $40,000? If Bitcoin break below $40,000, then guys, this is going to be catastrophic for the entire alt market. So we want to see Bitcoin hold strong at this level. This level is a critical level, and today we're gonna break down, some, key activities that we need to see occur with Bitcoin before we can assume that, or before we can confirm that altcoins are gonna make big moves. But as I mentioned in most of my tweets, that so far as Bitcoin is above 40K, then we are good to go. It's like investors are holding around this area, and it's good, guys, because like you can see, when price get to that zone, we see that there's a lot of demand. Buy. We can see price have rejected that like that area multiple times. So let's discuss and see where we go from here. You are welcome here on this platform. As I mentioned today, we are gonna discuss Bitcoin analysis. We're gonna talk also about some altcoin if you say we have time, but I want to do my possible best to talk about some altcoin that we are holding, like Quant, Baby Dogecoin, Floki Inu, Odi, Solana, Neon, TRB. If say I have time, I'm gonna go through all of these coins, but let's dive right away to Bitcoin. And if say you're new here, guys, make sure you smash that subscribe button. You like this content. At least liking this content is gonna be one of the least you can do to support what I do. And if you say you want to be part of my community, then guys, the link is below this video. Telegram, make sure you join. I update those guys every now and then on what is going on in the market. So let's dive right away. Okay, like now, let me just zoom. This is the 4 hour time frame, guys. And even though Bitcoin is below the 200-day moving average, I'm still seeing that Bitcoin is holding around this zone. Yeah, Bitcoin has been rejecting this area multiple times. This zone. This is the area. Let me take something else so we can do this properly. See, Bitcoin has been rejecting this zone, rejecting, and now Bitcoin has come back to that zone. So as far as Bitcoin can hold this zone, then we can say that we are still good to go. But one thing I want us to also look at on the higher time frame, like on the daily time frame, is that Bitcoin actually is in an uptrend. Like, guys, you can see clearly we are in an uptrend with Bitcoin. So I'm not that scared that price might let me say price can just wake up where it is and plunge downward like crazy. But what I'm concerned is, you can see this moving average, this Debeton indicator, guys. Right now you can get Debeton indicator on TradingView. So how to get it? Just go and you can see Debeton moving average. This is it. You can get this, or Debeton strategy. You can get Debeton moving average or Debeton strategy. Either of them you can get. But now it is live. But I'm gonna recommend you get this one instead. The Debeton moving average. The Debeton strategy, I'm still working on darts. So just get this one first, the Debeton moving average. I think that's the one you should be getting right now. So when I see this indicator moving it towards upside around the daily time frame, I want to see price stay where it is. And from the looks, I can say that Bitcoin can actually move down to $35,812. Bitcoin can do this, then move back quickly to the upside. And if it happens like that, it's gonna be healthy. Trust me, guys, don't get me wrong. If Bitcoin moves that like that, it's gonna be healthy because it's gonna move closer to this moving average. And I think this moving average is resetting. It's gonna reset back to around that zone, the $35,000, so that if say price move downward and kiss it, we're gonna see massive buy grab. And this area is gonna be an area of resistance if that's the case, right? And also, what I'm seeing here is that price is below the 200-day moving average, and also the 5-day and 13-day EMA. So we want to see price move above these EMAs to actually confirm that we can skyrocket to around $50,000. But as of now, there's so much resistance until we see a huge interest in price. So let's see what's going to happen today when market opens. So I think the scenario that we can see here is that Bitcoin hold this area and try to retest back this zone around $44,197, or Bitcoin go around, let's say 42,000 price point. Let's just also do this. Let me bring in the volume profile so we can see which area we should be looking at, where price is right now. So I think the volume profile can help us right now. I want to do it like this, take it from where price is to the top, or from where price is right now. Let's see what we got. So I think what can happen, because like guys, you can see price is actually around the value area low, like right now. And when we see price around the value area low, we're gonna expect buy pressure towards the POC. And if say price break the POC, then what we should expect is price to move towards the value area high. And as you can see, price is still below the POC. And if price is below the POC, then we should be expecting price to go more downward. But you can see price has been below the POC for some time now, so we can expect price to go and grab this liquidity up here around this area, or maybe go around this zone. So let's go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what we got here as with regard to price action. So guys, you can see the same thing here. Or we can see a bounce back towards that, and the POC is around this moving average, and I expect price to move towards that area and break above this moving average here. This moving average represents resistance, the 200-day moving average, and support. So I'm going to explain more about this maybe when I get to the lower time frame. But as it stands, guys, I think Bitcoin is still showing some strength here. And the reason why I always focus on Bitcoin, guys, is because Bitcoin is the alpha in this industry. Bitcoin gives the signal, whether you like it or not, whether you love Bitcoin or not. Bitcoin is the one and only project that gives the signal to all other altcoins to either move upward or downward. If Bitcoin is consolidating, like moving in a range like this, like what Bitcoin has been doing for some time now, moving in this range, it gives altcoins the opportunity to pump, because you can see people are like taking out or accumulating Bitcoin while more money is coming into other altcoins or low cap coins that haven't yet pumped are going to pump. So it's good that Bitcoin make another upside move, and if Bitcoin does that, guys, most of these altcoins that we are holding is going to make a massive move to the upside as well. So looking at the lower time frame right now, what we might expect with Bitcoin, like for example, this is the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, we should expect price to move from where price is right now and kiss this moving average. Let's see, yeah, around this zone here. Price should be able to move like that, kiss this zone before the market open. And if the price is not able to break, and make higher highs, then come and retest, then move above this other moving average, which is the 800 moving average, this one here. If price is not able to do that, then I think we're gonna keep going down towards 36,000 or 35,000 price zone. So this is the scenario I expect to happen with Bitcoin, and you have to be able to look at your altcoins and see, okay, if Bitcoin is gonna make this move, can you sell your altcoins and wait for Bitcoin to recover back before you can buy Bitcoin again, or you just want to hold your Bitcoin and hold your altcoin and have most of your asset in Bitcoin, and when these altcoins plunge downward, you sell your Bitcoin and buy out this altcoin. These are the different moves I am taking in the market. Now, Looking at other altcoins, see if say we can check on Audi. Audi is one of those coins I'm always gonna be checking on. And let's see Audi. Um, okay, let's go to the daily time frame on Audi. Guys, Audi is playing the same game with Bitcoin. Like Audi is is just the should I say the cousin or neighbor of Bitcoin, just doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing. You can see Audi is holding this zone, and if Audi break that zone, we're gonna see Audi come right down to around this area. Yeah, this is around $43,000, not $1,043, and I think that can happen because. And if it does happen, we're gonna see a quick buyback towards this area around $62. So if price does that, I'm gonna be waiting for that. Like, I think I should place a buy order here, like buy two Audi this price point. Let's say at around $47. I should place a buy order there for two Audi because it might happen quick, guys. Like whoop, down and then move back up. Let's see what will happen during the market open. But what I'm not scared with Audi that much is because sorry, the reason why I'm not that scared with Audi moving like drastically downward is because where this moving average is so far away. Like it's so far away, and it wouldn't be able to just move like that downward. That would be maybe something bad is really happening with Audi. And if it does, we're gonna see a huge buyback to that area. So I think maybe where we can see price move, if say we're gonna see a drastic move with Audi, is just down here, then move back there. If price is not able to break, then come back and kiss this moving average for going back to the downside. And guys, if that's the case, oh, I'll be so happy to accumulate Audi, we're gonna see $1,000 per Audi. Yeah, trust me. You guys you see Bitcoin now 40 something thousand, and they are projecting Bitcoin to be $1 million per Bitcoin. What do you think most of these coins right now, Audi, are gonna be if that happens? And Audi is gonna be here for a long time. So guys, you have to invest smart. The amount of money we want to make, we cannot make it with Bitcoin because of the kind of capital we have. Of course, we cannot make it, but we can follow Bitcoin and use Bitcoin as our USDT most of the time and accumulate with other altcoins that is going to make us massive upside when Bitcoin is moving. So when you see Bitcoin move drastically to the downside, you know that Audi also is following the same trend. For example, you can see Bitcoin is down just 1.87%, but Audi is down almost 6%. So imagine that you were holding Bitcoin more, and now you sell some of your Bitcoin and you buy Audi, and Audi recovers. You have made more Bitcoin, and if Bitcoin move more like upwards, you make more dollar. So this is the kind of things I teach every now and then, and I expect people who follow me to practice this. Guys, don't be that person who want to make money quick, fast. Be that person who want to compound gradually. You focus on compounding gradually, and every opportunity you get, you compound before you realize, guys, you have built something sustainable, something big. And I believe that those of you who follow me are gonna be doing just that. There's so much to accumulate and to get, so much to win. We still have a long way to go in this crypto space. Crypto is not yet that matured as other assets out there. We are still looking at Bitcoin to get to more than 10% of the world's population, right? It's still a long way to go for crypto, Bitcoin, so much that we still have to pay attention to. So I just want us to really look at Bitcoin, crypto in a way that we can look at the future and say, if we can make $10 every day, $10 every week, $10 every hour, $100 every week. If we do this for the next 5 years, for the next 10 years, how much can we make? So you can multiply $100 by, let's say, 1,000 days. And see how much you can make if you compound that amount. You have your normal job, and you say, okay, I'm gonna work for 5 years or 2 years or 3 years, and at the same time, I'm gonna swing trade, following the Beton strategy, and build wealth. Because when I got retired, I have enough of cash around me, or maybe I just make some money, and compound all this long term. Then when it gets to the moment where you are to make that money, boom, it happens like that. So this is what I want you guys to see. I really want you guys to make money. There's a lot of money to be made in this industry. I think I'm not gonna go and do more. Let's just see if we can do one more. Which one? Let's see. Quant is also another project that I am so passionate about, and I think holding Quant. Wow, I think I should get more Quant right now. Guys, like Quant is even more healthy. Like where the price of Quant is right now is even more healthier than Bitcoin, right? And if we look at the alpha trend for Quant, you can see that it's at the oversold area, and it is coming towards this moving average to kiss it. And it has kissed the green one first, and maybe it's gonna head towards the red moving average. Because guys, look at how prices have been playing here. Price move, consolidate, move right up, then come back down. It has to do that. Price have to come back to retest this zone and reject this zone. So I would say Quant is a buy. Like, it's a buy. When you see Bitcoin dip more, you buy Quant. You see Bitcoin dip more, you buy Quant. This is one of the only projects right now that I can see that like the upside is so bogus. Let's also look at Gala. Gala. Let's see where Gala is right now on the daily time frame. Guys, Gala also is the same thing. It's the same thing playing with Gala here. Is the Trendillo is showing oversold here, and you can see, like, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. These are one of those projects that can really make you good return. And another project that I want also to see right now also is ApeCoin. I've been accumulating ApeCoin also, and I'll be accumulating Quant, CHPRO, Chapley. Yeah, you can see this. Let's go to the daily time frame for ApeCoin and see ApeCoin having. Oh, guys, ApeCoin looks like the upside will be catastrophic. The upside for ApeCoin will be catastrophic. I'm telling you guys, this is the truth. Looking at where I want to take out profits, right? The first profit for ApeCoin, you know where? Let me bring in my alpha trend so it can give me where I should take out profit. Okay, this is the first zone I want to take out profit for ApeCoin. This is around $5 zone. The first profit is going to be at $5 for ApeCoin. Let's look at Quant. Let me just give you guys, also where you can take out profit for Quant. I know most of you want to know when to take out profits. Is very important. The alpha trend actually is not printing on Quant. Let's see. Okay, let's go to the. Actually, if you want to take out profit for Quant, the area to take out profit is around $200. Yeah, this zone here around $200, or you can take profit it's around $200 price point, the first profit zone. And if say Quant is able to break that zone, guys, the upside for Quant is gonna be bogus. So you guys should look at this project as a project that you can really make good profit with it. Right, you can see, it's around that price zone, around $200. So you can keep an eye on Quant, and like your first profit should be at $200. Yeah, then maybe we're gonna see some pullback, then pull back towards 164 or 150. Before, let's see, 145, 150. Yeah, before we can see price move drastically to around 400. You can see Quant go to $1,000 this year alone. I think that's doable, right? If I have more time, let's see if we can look at Metis DAO. Metis DAO also is a coin that I am holding, so strong. let's see. Of course, like when I say what I mean by holding doesn't mean that if I see price at a critical zone, I won't sell it. I will sell, of course. Like looking at where price is right now. Let's just go to the 4 hours time frame. You can see here. I think, not that I think, I know we're gonna get some bounce back from where price is right now. For Metis, back towards around, let's say, around $113, yeah, around that price zone before, if say price is not able to move upward, then we can see price go back down to kiss this 800-day moving average. So that's gonna be at around $40 price zone. Let's see this on the daily time frame. If so, we can get more data here about that. Yeah, it's around that $60 price point, if so that's the case. So I think we can see price make its way towards that zone. Let's look at ICP right now. ICP quickly. ICP also, let's see what this bad boy got. Yeah, ICP also looks good. Let's see. Okay, I actually did this with ICP. I said, and guys, ever since I did this, like, this could be a level 1, level 2, and we are waiting for level 3 movement to the upside. So even though we are seeing some downward movement with ICP is still holding at this support zone here, which means it's still bullish. It hasn't broken structure yet. So we should expect a huge bounce back for ICP back towards the upside, because I think the upside for ICP is gonna be let's see. No, this chart is not guys, let's see ICP. Okay, I think the upside, I'm not able to get this from this chart here. Let me see if I can get it from another chart somewhere else. Let's see ICP. What I want to get, I need to get it from this. Let me see if I can get it from here. Okay, I think I can get it from here. No, I cannot get it from here. Let's see. Can I get it from here? No, I cannot get it from there. Let's see also if I can get it from Mexi Global. Yes, I think Mexi Global also have. Oh boy. Wow, look at the upside for ICP. I think the target for ICP is at $50. Yeah, $50. That's where I'm looking at ICP, at around $50. Yeah, guys. I think that's that for us today. If you guys have any other coins that you want me to look at, then just let me know. If not, then let's call this a go for today. Yeah, let's call this a go for today. Not much to talk about at this point in time. Hopefully you enjoyed the stream, and yeah, comment below if say there's something you didn't understand, or something else you want me to talk about in my next show. And if you haven't yet joined my group, make sure you go right now and join the Telegram group. The link is from below this video. Go and join the group. All right, guys, I'm gonna go right now, and see you tomorrow same time. Bye bye.